Alright, here's the unboxing you've been finally waiting for. This is the eBay 100cc, but with the separate head and cylinder. So pretty much all the components from what the ad said was all the same except for the cylinder and the head. Oh, more boxes. Let's see what this is. This is probably the tank, which I have 2 of them unopened because I used the 1-gallon tanks. Yep, that's the tank. Nice. This most likely is the exhaust, which I will not use. There's all the other components. You see the crappy exhaust, which I'll never use. I might cut the flange off though. These are always good. This is all the typical stuff you'd normally see in any motorized bike kit. Stuff like that. I think this is a little bit different than the other one. This burns hotter. I don't know. Let's see. Yep, pretty much all the same other stuff that you normally see. This here is what I really want to see. I'm going to measure the cylinder as well. Ah, they sent me the wrong one. Check that out. So I'll be getting hold of the company. Alright. I guess that's the end of that boxing. Alright, this is my unboxing video of my engine. Let's see what we got. Directions. You don't need that. Here's your typical stuff you normally get. Let's see what the engine looks like. Oh, this is the one. So this is the iron block or iron sleeved engine. This is the iron sleeved 100cc with the huge head on it. What's it say? I don't know if you can read that. Samger motor. All right. You can see the intake. That looks pretty cool. This is going to be on my next project, which I will reveal once all the parts come in. So this is one of the last parts of it. Tank, of course, typical. This is different. Never seen these coated with copper before. Or maybe that's just where the tape was. Anyway, pretty excited about this one. I will be taking the head off. And it looks like there is some casting issues up here that need to be addressed. I don't know if you could see it. I will be taking care of that, taking it apart, make sure everything's been put together the way it's supposed to be put together, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, that's pretty much it. The next video would be me taking it apart, and we'll take a look at it and see